Hi, you are watching PDMS tutorial. In this lesson we will learn how to create a MTO report. So first of all, go to utility, report, create. So this window will appear. Select new, go to option other format, CSV. Now if you want to create a flange report, so just go to the path. I want to save in E drive, so just copy it, paste here, flange dot csv. This is the important thing, dot csv. So if you type this means that it will automatically convert in Excel file, and type here flange. Make sure here your spelling is correct, because if spelling is not correct it will not generate. If you type here elbow, it will generate elbow report, it will not generate flange report. This is only the file name and this is what it catches. So we want flange report, so I have type here flange. Hierarchy. Now you have to add the pipe, branch, anything you want to add in report. So I want this pipe, so just add. If I want this branch, just add and OK. Go to new, type here site. Next column, this is the column which will generate in our report. After site, type zone, pipe, branch, P spec of branch, reference number, LSTU, and click OK. After clicking OK, just click apply and come again to see in our E drive. So here it is generated. Open it. So we can see here. So if I copy reference number, I copy this reference number and paste here, so it is showing error. So just press Ctrl F, replace equal, replace all. So it has been replaced, and now copy this. We don't want in a fraction number, we want in a equal sign and divided by sign. So now again go here, paste here, so it will show flange number 3. This is the reference code. It is generated each and every component. So now I will check QP1. So its bore size is 100. Now we will cross check it. Its size is 100, so it is correct. If you want to check this, just copy it and paste here. So this is flange 1, and now QP1. So its size is 50. We can see 50 size here. If you want to generate a gasket report, just go to utility, report, create, give the path here, give path here elbow, and make sure you have type here elbow and hierarchy, add pipe, whatever you want, click OK, and make sure you have type here elbow and dot CSV. This is important. Other format CSV, OK, and go to new, type here site zone pipe branch P spec of branch reference LSPU. Okay, so click on new and apply. Come to E drive and elbow report is generated, but it is in fraction, so just replace it. Sorry, so we don't want in fraction. Control F, replace this, replace all. Now we can cross check it, and you can make any report just typing here gasket, anything you want to. Make sure your spelling is correct, and we can cross check it. This is our elbow 4 QP1, bore size is 100. So here we can see bore size is 100. So if you like my videos, then like and subscribe. Thank you.